Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix automatically logging out after inactivity on Mac. So if your Mac signs you out, every time you leave your desk, the automatic logout after inactivity feature may be turned on. When this setting is enabled, macOS automatically logs you out after the selected period of inactivity to help protect your account. While this can be useful on shared computers, it can also become frustrating because all of your open apps and windows are closed and you'll have to sign in again every time the automatic logout happens. So if you want to fix the issue, first click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to Privacy and Security. Now next, scroll down and then click on Advanced, and here make sure to disable the toggle right to log out automatically after inactivity. Next, a pop-up will appear. Here verify yourself by Touch ID or Mac passcode and then click on Done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.